Feeding your worms. One of the biggest problems we have with worm bins, especially small ones, is overfeeding, putting too much material in the bin. Sometimes we get carried away. So we're going to be careful about overfeeding. You just have to realize what the capacity of the bin is. One of these small plastic bins, you're not going to be able to process much material. In this larger wood bin, I'm going to be able to feed a lot more material into it. In fact, this bin is capable of dealing with about 6 pounds of waste a week. In this particular bin, I'm going to use a marker of where I buried the last material, because when I come back next week, I'll have forgotten where that last batch of material went. So I'm using a little ceramic toadstool here to mark the spot where I buried this thing last. And in each case, especially in this bin, we're going to try to go to a different position. In this bigger bin, I'm burying this batch here. This batch I'm going to move up and bury right here, and then back, and then a couple weeks later I'll be back here.